Hey, what's up, everybody? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? What's up, Power Family? How you guys doing? This is the Power 99 FM here, and today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of this Echo Dot. Now, I never had one of these devices, so I really don't know what to expect when I do a unboxing of this device. So this will be my first time unboxing something like this and using something like this. What I will be doing is I'm going to do today the unboxing of this device. And then after I do an unboxing, I'm going to do a review afterwards, but I'm going to do a setup video after I do the unboxing. I'm going to set the device up and do a setup video, and then I'm going to do a review after the setup video. In a week or so, I'm going to do the review so I can get a full week to use this, but I'm going to do a setup video in about probably a day later after I make this video. But for now, I'm going to just do the unboxing video of this Echo Dot device. So let's get into it, shall we? And let's see what we have with this. I don't know what to expect from this small little device. Now they do have the big tall Echo called the Alexa, the big tall one. I will be getting myself the big tall Echo, the first generation. They have a second generation of that big tall device, but slimmer, well, a smaller, rundown version of the Alexa, I think called the Echo Amazon 2, I think. They have an Amazon for like 80 bucks. I think you can get this on Amazon for like 40 bucks. I think you can. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this device right now, and we're going to see what's inside the box because I have no idea. So on the front of the box, you can see Echo Dot, Alexa play top songs, Alexa dim my lights, and wake me up at 6 a.m. It has a far-field voice control. And over here on the side, it shows Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Alexa voice service, explore skills including music, Amazon Music, Spotify, Pandora, CNN, and NPR. Friends of Hugh. I don't know what Friends of Hugh is. Friends of Hugh. I don't know what that is. And much more. What's included in this package? Amazon Echo Dot second generation, so it's a second generation. Power adapter 9 watts and micro USB cable. That's on the side right there. And on the other side, it shows the Echo Dot logo right there. And on the back, it shows a little information on the back. Designed around your voice, Echo Dot connects to Alexa, a cloud-based voice service that is always getting smarter. Just acts as Alexa will provide information, play music, read the news, set alarms, control smart home devices, and more. Add voice control to your speakers. Connect the speakers of a Bluetooth or with an audio cable, and directly stream music with Amazon Music, Pandora, Spotify, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, and more. Far-field voice recognition with 7 microphones, beamformer technology, noise cancellation. Echo Dot hears you from across the room. It responds to the built-in speakers or connected speaker. Voice control your smart home. Ask Alexa to turn on your lights, control your thermostat, garage door, sprinklers, and more. I have no idea what to expect. But let's see what's inside the box. Let's see. Okay, the box is empty. Amazon Echo Dot right there gives you a little information, things to try, music. Alexa play some Prime music. Alexa shuffle my dinner party playlist. Alexa, what song is this? Alexa, buy this song. Alexa, buy paper towels. Alexa, set a timer for 45 minutes. Alexa, tell me a joke. Alexa, pair my Bluetooth. Alexa, stop. Alexa, bottom 5, 1 through 10. Alexa, dim the hue lights. Alexa, turn on the fan. Alexa, what's the weather? Alexa, how is my commute looking? Okay. I don't know how I don't know how the hell this works. I have like no idea. I never even had one of these before. I don't even know how this works. I'm assuming it was via Bluetooth. I'm assuming. I'm assuming Echo Dot. Okay, let's see. Okay. Plug in the Echo Dot. Plug the micro USB cable into the 9-watt adapter. Okay, you must use the items included. Yeah. The blue wind will begin to spin around the top. In about a minute, the light wind will change to orange and the lesser will green. Connect to your speaker. You can connect your Echo Dot to a speaker using Bluetooth. Okay, I have like 12 Bluetooth speakers. Wait, so all you do, you just plug it in and set up process is an automatic start. Go to settings, set up a new device, then set up your connect Echo Dot to the internet. Okay, so you need your Wi-Fi password. Okay, let's see. Action button. What's the action button? Action button. Okay, so this is the action button right here. This is the microphone on and off button right here. This is the this is the more tape. These are the volume up and down buttons right here. The light wind is right below the speaker grill. The AUX audio output is right here. The micro USB port is right here. Yeah, well, it seems pretty self-explanatory. I just never owned one of these before. I just don't know what to expect. How do you open it? You had to open it somehow. You pry off the sides. There has to be a way to open it. I want to see what's inside. Okay. So that's that. These are the instructions right here. Now, let's see what this comes with. This is the USB micro cable right here. And then this is the power. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. Okay, and this is the power symbol right here. Take all this plastic off. Okay, there we go. And all you do is you just put the cable in there, and then plug this into here. There you go. Okay. Try to fit. Okay, and then you plug this into the wall. Okay, let's plug this in and see what happens. I have a little outlet right here. Wow. Let's see what happens. Plug this in. Ah, that's nice. Hello?
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Oh, I don't have an app. Oh, I don't have an app. I don't have the app. I don't have an app. I don't have the app. Oh, damn it. Alexa. Hello? Alexa? 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 Alexa! I guess you need the app to use it. Damn it, I don't have the app. Well, that was cool anyways, I guess. Well, I just have school, so I'm gonna make another video showing the setup process. I just need the app in order to use this. What happens when you push the button? Oh, do something.
Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
I don't have an Alexa app.
Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
I would, but I don't have one. That is as loud as it can go. That is pretty loud though. That is pretty cool looking.
Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
I don't have an Alexa app. Well, I think I'm gonna download this app and see if I can use this.
Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup.
Okay.
Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Yeah, I will. I will. Yeah, let's unplug this. Let's put it back in. See what happens. Oh, pretty. That's pretty.
Hello.
Hello.
Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
I don't have an app. Alright, so I guess that's it for this video. Let me download the app and let me set this up and we can try it out. We can use it and see how good this thing is. This, I guess, apparently, I guess one of the users wants me to download the app. So, I'm gonna have to download the app. Okay, I download the app. Okay? Okay. I'll download the app for you. Well, that is pretty cool anyway. That is a pretty nice device anyways. That is a pretty nice device anyways. So, I guess this is the end of this video for right now. So, this is the Power 99 FM here, saying peace and stay classy, yo. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy that video. Peace, Power family. Alexa, repeat that.
Slide lead and comment to the Power 99 FM.
Alexa, repeat that.
Slide lead and comment to the Power 99 FM.
Well, it got close. Points for trying, Alexa. Points for trying. Points for trying. At least you said the Power 99 FM good. So that's good.